Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remove scratches from an iPhone screen. As you can see right here, I have an iPhone and I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from the screen. Now this method can be used for minor to medium sized scratches, and it will do a great job in helping to reduce them and eliminate them. And all that you need is a cotton ball or anything that is sort of similar to a cotton ball that can be used in the same way. And you also need some toothpaste. So what I have here is some toothpaste. What you want to do is you want to locate the scratch. Now let's imagine that there was a scratch right over here on the phone, right over here. You would take a little bit of toothpaste. You don't really need a lot. You just need a little bit of toothpaste, and you're going to put a little bit of toothpaste, just like that amount is good, a little bit of toothpaste on the area that has the scratch. You're then going to take the cotton ball, and what you're going to do is you are going to just sort of swirl it around, and you want to work that toothpaste into that scratch, okay? Just like that. And if you see that it's doing a good job and you want to add some more toothpaste, you can definitely do that. Now, instead of using a cotton ball, you can also use your finger if you want. You can just sort of rub it in with your finger, but this is a much cleaner method, and the cotton ball does a great job because it's not going to scratch the screen. And the little pieces on the cotton ball, the little pieces of cotton, are actually going to do a great job at getting that toothpaste inside of those mild to medium scratches. So once again, you can take your cotton ball. Let's say you want to do it with your finger. You could actually take your finger and just go ahead and rub it in just like that. You could start off by using your finger just like that. It's going to look something like that, just as you can see right there. And then you can actually take the cotton ball and you can continue doing it even more to work it in even more. And you're going to continue rubbing in this swirly motion. Continue doing this for as long as you need to, and you can continue applying more and more toothpaste. So let's say that I saw that the scratch was getting better, but I wanted to continue to apply just a little bit more to make it even better. I would apply some more toothpaste like that. I might start off by using my finger to really get it around the larger area, and then I might use the cotton ball just to finish it off just like that. Really swirl it in, apply a good amount of pressure, especially if you're using the cotton ball. And then what you want to do, and obviously you want to watch the speaker of your iPhone when you're doing this, and the button and so forth. You want to watch the things so that you don't get any toothpaste into areas that it's not supposed to go into. This is my old iPhone. I just basically use this for tutorials, but you want to watch those areas. Once you're done swirling the toothpaste into the scratches, you want to wash it off. So once again, if you're using water, I would recommend putting some water on a napkin or something like that, on a piece of tissue or toilet paper, and then you doing that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a second cotton ball, and I'm just going to get some water right over here. So I've now wet the cotton ball. As you can see, it has water on it. And I'm just going to use this water to just get rid of that toothpaste. And once again, if you're doing this, make sure you don't get any water in the speaker area, in the any of the button areas, the home button, the volume buttons, the lock, the unlock button, anything like that. You really want to just make sure that you get rid of that toothpaste just like that. And then last but not least, you want to dry it off. And once again, I have another cotton ball really handy, so I would just use this, but you can use a paper towel, a towel, a hand towel, anything like that. You want to dry it off. And what that's going to do is that's going to really allow your screen to get rid of those scratches. It's going to allow you to get rid of those mild to medium-sized scratches and make them better. So it will hopefully get rid of them, but if it doesn't completely get rid of them, it will definitely help to make them better and not as noticeable. And that's basically it. This has been a very simple tutorial to show you how to get rid of scratches in an iPhone screen. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.